Now, winter may have arrived late, but it is now firmly gripped North India. In the national capital and its adjoining regions, a spell of rain has finally brought the much-needed relief and cheer from the toxic air. The AQI in Delhi NCR has improved. GRAP 3 hata diya gaya hai from severe to very poor category, and there's hope of further improvement as well, with more showers forecasted tomorrow over this long weekend, which is approaching as well. Now, away from the capital, large parts of North India are witnessing intense winter conditions. Just look at those gorgeous shots. From Jammu and Kashmir to Himachal Pradesh to Uttarakhand, heavy snowfall has transformed hill towns into postcard perfect landscapes, drawing tourists and setting the stage for a very busy long weekend. So we thought, if you like me are working, cannot go, let's give you a little glimpse of what those places look like. Joining me is my colleague Ashraf Vani. He joins us from Jammu and Kashmir. All right, before we actually go to my colleagues, let's quickly give you a roundup of what these places are looking like, then we'll dip in.
Winter tightened its grip across North India once again, as fresh snowfall blanketed large parts of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. In Kashmir, snowfall quickly resulted in flight delays and road closures. Operations at the Srinagar airport were hit hard as snowfall forced the cancellation of at least 26 flights. Airport authorities said snow clearance operations were underway on the runway, but airlines cautioned passengers to brace for delays and extended wait times as conditions continued to pose challenges. The mercury dipped and roads turned treacherous across the valley. Higher reaches bore the brunt of the snowfall, prompting the closure of several key mountain roads. Authorities have ordered the closure of schools in several areas of Kashmir as a precautionary measure, citing safety concerns amid freezing temperatures and slippery roads.
कश्मीर के बालाई इलाकों के साथ-साथ मैदानी इलाकों में भारी हिमपात ने अपनी लपेट में पूरी वादी को ले चुका है। बड़गाम हो या कोई भी जिला हो, तो हर तरफ बर्फ ही बर्फ दिखाई दे रहा है। कल रात जब लोग सोए तो सुबह हैरान हुए जब पूरी वादी को सफेद चादर से लिपटा हुआ देखा।
The winter spell, however, was not without its scenic moments. Tourist hotspot Gulmarg recorded 20 and 24 inches of fresh snow, transforming the meadow resort into a pristine white expanse. Meanwhile, Shimla woke up to its first snowfall of the season. The fresh snowfall across Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh is part of a broader winter system affecting large swaths of North India.
शिमला अपने जिस प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य के लिए मशहूर है, आज वो मौसम बनता है और मौसम विभाग की तरफ से पहले ही जिस तरह से भविष्यवाणी की गई थी कि हिमाचल प्रदेश के लगभग जो मध्यवर्ती और ऊंचाई वाले इलाकों में है, यहाँ पर बर्फबारी हो सकती है। तो आज सुबह ही जिस तरह से बर्फबारी जो है वो मध्यवर्ती और ऊंचाई वाले इलाकों में देखने के लिए मिल रही है।
As cold intensifies, officials in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal are racing against time, clearing roads and restoring connectivity. Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, let's cut across to my colleague Ashraf Vani joining us from Srinagar. Ashraf, here we are again. Long weekend is coming. People have made up their plans. And now we are wondering if this is the right time to go. The joke in the newsroom, however, is that today is supposed to be Basant Panchami. This is the day where forward temperatures actually become warmer. But this time the opposite has happened. It's become cooler now. But for a local like you, are you having fun or are you cribbing about too much snow?
Actually, Sonal, the global warming impact is now visible across the globe, particularly here in the Himalayan states, including the Jammu and Kashmir. The 40 days spell of the Chilekalan is considered as the coldest season in the Kashmir, which begins on 21st of December and then concludes on 31st of January. But this year we have seen most of this cold spell was dry across the Kashmir Valley. We had reports from different forest areas. There was abrupt forest fires witnessed in different localities and forest areas of Kashmir. But abruptly, the weather scenario changed, which was predicted by the Met Department since Thursday evening, and it is heaviest snowfall of the season so far in the Kashmir. We have reports from the Yusmarg, which is in the Badgam district, more than 4 feet snow has got accumulated there. Then also in the Kulgam district, which is in the South Kashmir, Shopian district, the Mughal road which connects the Kashmir Valley with the Punch is closed for the vehicular traffic due to heavy snowfall, at least 4 feet at the Pir Ki Gali, which is one of the passes. Same is the scenario with the Kargil road that has been also closed due to heavy snowfall in Zojila as well as in the Sonmarg, and also as you mentioned in the report, in the Gulmarg that has also recorded about 2 feet of snow, and it is currently snowing not only in the Srinagar but also in the other parts of the Kashmir Valley. And Met Department has said that this heavy snowfall will bring another spell of cold wave, not only here in the Kashmir, but also its impact will be in the northern parts, including in the Delhi. So the cold is still behind, and the coming days will be colder, and even the night is too much cool here in the Srinagar. The temperature is predicted for today's night is -5, which may decline to -7 in coming 2 days.
All right, already feeling it here in the national capital and not complaining about it at all. Let me also cut across to my colleague Ankit Sharma. Ankit, long weekend आ गया है, 26th Republic Day पर छुट्टी है सबकी, तो अगर कोई ट्रैवल कर रहा है हिल्स की तरफ, तो रोड्स की क्या हालत है, कौन कौन से हाईवे बंद हैं, कौन कौन से चल रहे हैं, उसके बारे में थोड़ी जानकारी दे दीजिए.
Well, absolutely. You can see behind me the national highway connecting to Shimla, and you can see the chaos. People are thronging to Uttarakhand and also traveling to Himachal from here in large number. And after today's sudden weather turn, it has completely set to rejoice among the people, and people are overjoyed because the weather has turned late, but it has come better, and the temperatures have also plummeted, and it has caused some joy to the farmers and as well as tourists. People are flocking to higher hill station in large number, talking about the scenic destinations like Harshil, Chopta, and talking about Masuri. Higher areas of Nainital have completely blanketed in white, and you can see the
All right, so that was my colleague Ankit over there saying that there seems to be an entire widespread all across. The weather has turned, this time not at the right time perhaps, but just in time for people to enjoy in case they had plans for the long weekend. Maninder Arora, my colleague, is also with us live from Manali. मनमिंदर हमें बताइए वहाँ के अभी ओ वाओ अभी भी स्नो हो रही है दैट लुक्स लवली बिहाइंड यू हमें थोड़ा बताएं कब से स्नो चल रही है वहाँ पर एंड इम्पोर्टेंटली हाईवेज की क्या सिचुएशन है क्या लोग अभी भी पहुँच सकते हैं
जी बिल्कुल आज सुबह से जैसे ही जो बर्फबारी जो मनाली और इसके आसपास के इलाकों में हुई है उसके बाद ये लगातार पूरा दिन आज जो बर्फबारी का जो दौर है वो जारी रहा और अभी भी आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं मैं तस्वीरों में दिखाना चाहूंगा ये मनाली का मॉल रोड है यहाँ पे जो काफी जो पर्यटक हैं देखिए बर्फबारी का मजा लेने के लिए यहाँ पे उमड़े हुए हैं हालांकि क्योंकि रोड बंद है मनाली अटल टनल रोड की बात करूं तो वो फिलहाल अभी नॉर्मल व्हीकल्स के लिए बंद किया गया है लेकिन वहाँ पे 4x4 व्हीकल्स जो सिर्फ है वो उनको अलाउ किया गया है तो लगातार जो बर्फबारी है इस पूरे इलाके में हो रही है अगर मनाली की बात करूं तो करीब 1.5 फीट के आसपास जो है वो बर्फ की परत एक मोटी अब जम चुकी है जबकि सोलंग नाला जो पर्यटन स्थल है वहां पे 2.5 से 3 फीट के आसपास जो बर्फबारी है अभी तक हो चुकी है वहीं रोहतांग पास की बात करूं तो 4.5 फीट के आसपास वहां पे बर्फबारी हो चुकी तो ऐसे में अंदाजा लगाया जा सकता है कि किस तरह से ये जो बर्फबारी थी हालांकि प्रिडिक्शन तो थी मौसम विभाग की कि आज पूरे इलाके में बर्फबारी होगी, लेकिन इतनी ज्यादा बर्फबारी होगी ये किसी ने सोचा नहीं था। लेकिन अभी भी आप देख सकते हैं कि बर्फबारी का दौर वो लगातार जारी है। वहीं लाहौल स्पीति जिला की बात करूं तो वहां पर भी अच्छी खासी जो बर्फबारी इस समय देखने को मिल रही है। केलोंग जो अ, लाहौल स्पीति का डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर है, वहां पे करीब 2.5 फीट के आसपास जो बर्फबारी हो चुकी है। तो ऐसे में अब कहीं ना कहीं स्थानीय लोगों की भी दिक्कतें अब बढ़नी शुरू हो गई हैं, क्योंकि रोड कनेक्टिविटी पूरी तरह से बंद हो गई है। बिजली सप्लाई रिस्टोर होने में टाइम लग रहा है, क्योंकि बीच बीच में पावर कट्स लग रहे हैं। तो ऐसे में आज
All right, understandably losing signal with our colleagues over there because of the constant snowfall. So good news if you're already there, not so good news if you're planning to go there, because roads are a bit of a trouble there. So please keep a check on that before you make your plans. But let's leave you with these gorgeous, gorgeous pictures coming to us from the north of the country, all those hills. And a very happy long weekend to all of you. We'll see you again on the other side. Thanks so much.